Welcome back to ECOSTRESS tutorials. This tutorial will teach you how to create an Earthdata login. NASA's Earthdata is an open access source to all of NASA's Earthdata collections, including ECOSTRESS. This is why we need to create a login in order to access this data. Let's start by searching the web for Earthdata Login. And clicking on this first link. Since we don't have a login set up yet, let's click Register. This will take you to the registration page, where you will have to fill out all this information. Create a username and password, fill out your user information, and inform them of any affiliations. You can choose to toggle on or off this agreement if you would like to be notified via email with important information about the science data products. Finally, once all of this information is filled out, click this green Register for Earthdata Login button. Once your registration has been approved, you will receive an email to the email that you provided with your login. This email will prompt you to verify your email. Click the link provided to activate your email. You will then be taken to this screen that notifies you that your profile has been activated. Click Login to Earthdata Login System. This will take you back to the Earthdata Login page. Here, you can enter your username and password that you just created and press the green Login button. Now you have access to NASA's Earthdata collections. Thank you for watching this ECOSTRESS tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. For more trainings, tutorials, and information, including a written version of this tutorial, go to ecostress.jpl.nasa.gov/documents, which will be linked in the description.